This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the home button in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. If you look off to the upper left hand corner, you can see I have a little icon of a house up here. That is my home button. To remove the home button, I will simply put my mouse cursor over it. I will right click and I will go down to where it says Remove from Toolbar. I'll click on Remove from Toolbar. Now the home button is gone. Now to bring back the home button, you want to put your mouse cursor up in an empty area up here. Right click, go down to where it says Customize Toolbar. Click on Customize Toolbar. Then you'll have to find your home button within these icons here. Mine happens to be right down here. I'm going to put my mouse cursor over it. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and while holding down my left mouse button, I'm going to drag it up here, back up to the toolbar. I could drop it anywhere in here that I want to. I'm going to drop mine right in here. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. There is my home button. That is how to hide or show your home button on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.